Hello, dear innovator, and welcome to a short presentation about the SEPT Innolytics platform and how to contribute your idea to one of our innovative idea competitions. So I will guide you now step by step how you can contribute your idea to the platform. So once you're registered and logged in on the platform, you will come up on this landing page. Two things are important for you. Number one, in the upper left corner, you see the blue button new. We will come to this in a second. This is actually the button where you contribute your new idea. But after doing this already, you have the chance on this navigator to go on your particular idea competition, click on ideas, and you will find here a lot of different ideas posted by other colleagues and friends of you. And here you have the chance to continue working on the concept of idea and so on. But let's start with the very first step. So you would like to contribute an idea to our competition, choose this blue button, click on new, and this kind of window is opening. This window is asking you in which particular idea competition you would like to participate. So on this step, just make sure that you click on the right idea competition. So for example, I'm choosing to develop my idea in the AGEA business idea competition. In the second step, our platform is asking you about the title of your idea. So please insert here any kind of title, innovation, idea you would like, name it as you want. Additionally, you can specify your idea a little bit more with these gray buttons here and categorize it a little bit. For example, your idea is about small businesses, it's in the education field, and it's in the B2C market. Okay, so, but this is optional. And of course, the title you can change at any time you want. Okay, click accept. And this brings us to a description. So here the platform is asking you to provide a description of an idea. Again, later on, you can polish it and write more ideas about this on your concepts. But for the beginning, a short description is enough. So after doing that, please click accept. And now, as a last step, what you can do, but I really recommend is to choose a picture from our data bank, which visualize your idea a little bit more. For example, my idea is about a travel agency. So I just put the word here, travel, and the data bank provides me with 3 pictures. I can use it. So I'm choosing the first one and I'm clicking accept. So, and actually you are done right now. What you only have to do is now you have to save what you wrote. And in any second, you will be here on the main platform of your idea description. So as you can see here, we have 2 main fields. Number 1 is description and comments, and number 2 is the concept. So as you can see here in the description is the field you filled out before. As I said, you have always the possibility to change it. The next step is about the concept. This is the most important part you need to fill out, because here we provided you with key questions about your innovative idea, which you should answer as a whole and as precise as possible. So the evaluation, the jury has a really good picture about what your idea is about, what kind of problem it is solving, which kind of value proposition it gives to future users, customers, and stakeholders, which kind of objectives you have with this idea, what is the target group, which kind of resources do you need, and what are the market opportunities, and the expected impact of your idea. To fill out these fields, please click this time in the right corner on Edit Idea. By doing so, as you can see, a window opens where you have all the time the chance to change everything what you typed before. So as you can see here, we have general data and text. This is the description. So here you can add infinity of more information as needed. Here with the concept is the same. Please make sure that you precise, but with a good amount of detail describe your innovative idea. So for example, you can put here into the problems as much as you want, the solution, and so on. And of course, we have here always additional questions. So they should guide you to provide the right information for the jury to understand your idea the best. And when you have done this, please make always sure that you save your idea so it's saved. How this might look like. So you can go back here. And this is this idea we developed. Please let me show you an illustration how it might look like. So as you can see here, this would be like the end of this. You see here, we have a complete description of this particular idea. And in the concept, we see the same. We have a lot of details here in the particular segments, and they help the jury to understand and evaluate your idea in the best way possible. Okay, I think it's quite clear. And I wish you all the best with your ideas, and I hope the best idea wins. So thank you very much and good luck.